Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the waistcoat. I've already doubled and trimmed it. Now I'm taking the item. I want to show you some important details. When I finish taking, I'll try the item on to see if any details need adjustments. Next, I'll ask one of the tailors in my fashion house to stitch the lining with facing and waistcoat itself. After that, I'll show you how to attach lining to the item. I want to show you that for you to be able to do it. You may think that it's very easy to make a small waistcoat, but in fact, it's much harder than to make a long dress. The design is pretty complicated. I'm talking about these details now. I've already tacked one side, and now I'll tack the second one. This is how this detail looks like from the front. I'll show you how to tack it and what to pay attention to. Notice that all the details are accurate. The sides match. Have a look at this bias dart. This is how it should look like. I matched the notches on the waistline to attach the side detail to the front. Sometimes I get home so tired that I can't even talk. But then I see there's some feedback from you, and I realize that it's worth it. Please, write comments. It makes me so happy to realize that you like what I'm doing and that you find my tutorials useful. Have a look at what I'm doing. Notice that I don't hurry. The angle in this detail is the reason why I show you how to tack these details. I remind you that all the details are doubled. I'll explain why it's so important. This is the angle I'm talking about. Imagine you want to make a stand collar or some other detail, and you need to turn this angle this way. And then turn it. Imagine it's not doubled. You would damage the whole item. Such detail should always be doubled. Do not forget about that. Have a look here. Very nice. Imagine you're making a stand collar of linen fabric. If you don't double it, an item would be damaged at the same moment you make a notch. Have a look here. I've tacked the side detail to the front one. This is how the sleeve looks like now. This is how it looks like on a body. A sleeve meets a side detail. This is a pretty complicated detail. I show you such things on purpose. I want you to stop being afraid of complicated designs. Now I'll show you how to tack the same detail on the back. I'm not going to show you how to stitch and iron these details. I'd better show you how to attach lining to an item. When stitching these details on a sewing machine, you need to stop here on the angle, raise the foot, turn the detail, and then continue stitching. I've already showed you how to do that, so I'm not going to do it again. Let's have a look at what we got. This is the wrong side, and this is the right side. Have a look at it. I'll remove the tacking before stitching to tack this angle once again. I don't like the result. The first one was better. This is the back. This is the first detail at the front, and this is the second one. Now I'll tack the side and the shoulder seams, and then I'll try the item on. This is how the waistcoat looks like from the back and from the front. All the details are tacked. Now I can try it on. Have a look at the waistcoat. I always use one and the same pattern, so I was absolutely sure that the item would fit me perfectly. I was right. I haven't even looked at myself in the mirror. I'm absolutely sure that the item is perfect for me. I think that the length is also perfect. I don't want the waistcoat to be longer. I think that maybe I'll make the neckline wider. I'm not sure about that yet. I think that it looks good this way too. Next time I'll show you how to attach lining to the item. I hope you like this design. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.